We're trying to understand the cultural heritage sites in the Ohrid Lake region, and we're using photogrammetry to study them. So we're taking a series of pictures, both from the ground with telephones and with the drone photos, in order to use photogrammetry to create 3D models, in order to manage all of the cultural heritage sites around the lake.
My hope is that the students here will learn not just how to make photogrammetric models, which in itself would be a great result, but also how to really utilize them in their conservation practice, and how to use those models to then develop drawings and notes to be used in actual interventions on these buildings.
I'm saying this for Ohrid citizens and all others around the Ohrid Lake on both Macedonian and Albanian sites. They're very privileged to live in such a region with the attribute of world natural and cultural heritage, with the outstanding universal values not only for them but for all mankind. But also they have obligation to take care about their heritage. We as professionals in the protection of monuments of culture, with the joint cooperation and also with use of most advanced tools, techniques and technologies for protection of cultural heritage, we can protect as long as possible for future generation to enjoy as well in this privilege.
I'm very happy to be here in Lynn and to see the project here, the Cultural Heritage Project. I'm also very glad that Sweden is supporting this important program, both for the importance of cultural heritage and to show the rich and to restore the rich culture that Albania has. I think it's also important for the community here and for the possibility of the community to also show its culture, its heritage, and also to attract tourists to the region. I'm also impressed here with the day today, where we see students from many different, I think it's 6 different countries here in the Western Balkan. They come together, they share experiences, and they learn. Not the least, they learn the new technology, 3D technology, which is very impressive. So I'm happy that Sweden can be part of this kind of project.